Kid Friendly TV.
Hey guys, it's Whitney
and Pete from Kid Friendly TV. And if you want to check out what awesome Fur Babies Easter egg surprise we got, just keep on watching. What do we get? Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness! Who is that?
Yes, it's Fur Babies World.
Oh!
A new toy from Moose. Moose. Moose.
Toys.
It says new friends and a magical world await inside, and we have question marks.
It's a big surprise.
And it's shaped like an Easter basket here. This is so cool. I can't wait to open it.
Are you ready to open it?
And guess what, Whitney? We have 1, 2, and 3 boxes to open.
Wow.
This is gonna be amazing.
Oh my goodness.
This looks like a ginormous Easter egg.
That is so cool. Let's get it out.
My goodness. Whoa, check out this ginormous Easter egg. What's inside?
Let's open it up.
Oh my God. What happened? This smells really good too. Wonder if you can eat it.
Oh my goodness. It does smell like you can eat this.
Can you smell that?
Yeah, it smells so good.
Oh, look at that design. So cool, Moose.
I love that. Surprise number 1. What did we get?
Dun 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 dun. Oh, look at that!
So cute!
Oh my goodness!
That is crazy!
Oh, wow, look at this. Is this like a rabbit?
That is so cute. Look at its ears.
It looks like an Easter bunny. And I think I've heard that they can move their eyes. Let's see, how do we...
Oh, look at that!
Oh! Whoa, what did I do? It's something back here. Let's see. Maybe read the instructions.
What?
Oh, there we go. You like put your finger. There's like a finger hole here. Maybe where it said try me.
Oh, put your finger in here?
So you can put your finger in there. Let's see. Oh, whoa.
That is really awesome. I really like that.
Who said that?
And look, the ears are moving too.
Oh, and the ears waggle. The eyes go up and down and left and right.
She's going crazy.
Cray. What? What do you want for Easter, kids?
Candy!
Wow.
That's what a candy does to me. It makes me go crazy.
When I eat candy, I go, wow.
I'm crazy. Her fur is super soft, too.
And let's see what her name is. Her name is Mimi. Let's read about Mimi.
Yeah, what does it say about Mimi?
It says, Mimi is the rebel.
That would be me.
She likes looking cool and always helps her friends.
Oh, she's so sweet.
And wiggle my eyes and waggle my ears. That is so cool.
Wiggle, waggle.
You can go to furbabiesworld.com to check out more from Moose Toys.
Are you ready for surprise number 2? Number 2.
I'm gonna open this one. Let's get it open. No! Mine!
No!
Mine!
No!
I want it.
You have to share.
Oh, let's get it open. Come on.
How many people does it take to open a box?
All right, let's see what's in this one. It's raining packing peanuts.
Woo!
Whoa, another ginormous Easter egg.
Yummy!
Here's our surprise Easter egg number 2. And these would make perfect gifts for our Easter baskets. Let's open this one up.
Oh, it's in a blue egg.
It was in a blue egg.
Wow.
So cool. Whitney, you can open this blue egg.
Okay, let's open this one up. Here we go. Let's pop it open.
Pop it.
Help me.
Oh my!
He jumped out.
goodness.
Wow.
That is
This one
so
is so
cool.
cute,
It's
too.
white with blue, and they are so soft.
Yeah, let's see. Can I
And
do
Whitney
it?
wiggle and waggle.
Where's it at?
Can
There
you
it
do
is.
a wiggle waggle?
Ooh.
Wow. What did you say?
What'd you say about me? Oh.
What you talking about? Oh.
Hey, girl. What you doing? Yeah.
Just getting ready for Easter. What you doing?
Just hanging out.
And what What's your name?
Minnie.
Let's find out. Nisha. Let's see.
Nisha.
Nisha is the organizer.
Ooh.
She likes making lists and is sometimes nervous.
Oh no.
But that's really cool. Nisha is the organizer and it's white and blue.
Super duper soft.
They are really soft. I love how soft they feel.
And look at her ears. They're really
So
cute.
cool.
Oh, you want to be best friends?
No, I'm already best friends with Pete.
Oh, no, I'm sad. And here we have surprise number 3. Open it up, Pete.
Let's see what we got here. Oh, come on.
What is wrong with you, boy? There we go.
Let's
We
see.
got it.
Yeah, more peanuts. Rain it down.
Woo! Let's have a party. Woo! Oh, orange.
Whoa, so cool. Another huge Easter egg.
We're gonna open this one up. Let's karate chop it.
Karate chop.
Whoa! Ow! That hurt.
Whitney's not a karate master like Pete. Ow!
It does hurt.
Let's pop open our last surprise. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, and this one is probably the cutest one of all.
She's pink.
So pretty.
With purple ears. What's your name, little girl?
Let's see. Her name is Issy.
Issy.
Issy is the sparkly one. Likes dressing up and always loves a party.
Miss Prissy.
Let's see. See if we can move your eyes and ears. Ow. Here we go. Whoa.
I'm feeling a little dizzy.
Ow, wow. Ow.
Oh, wow.
I love to dress up. Oh, I'm so pretty.
If you're happy and you know it, move your eyes. If you're happy and you know it, move your eyes. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, move your eyes.
I'm so happy. Let's check out all the fur babies we got. Mimi
Issy.
and Nisha.
Hey girl, what you doing? Huh?
Just filming a video with kid-friendly TV.
Oh, so cool, yeah.
Yeah, they're pretty cool. I just noticed too, look, this one has brown eyes and blue eyes, so they have different colored eyes too.
That's really cool.
These would be so awesome for Easter.
Now, put it in your Easter basket.
And also just to cuddle with. I really like these.
They are so soft. Their fur is super duper soft, would make a great cuddle companion. We hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to Kid Friendly TV. It is so easy. All you need to do is click on subscribe down below so you don't miss out on our videos. We'll see you guys soon. Bye! Bye!
Give us kisses.
I want a kiss. Mwah.
4.
You're definitely getting it. He's gonna get it right in the eye.